All right then. Okay, so here we go. I know this is not Christmas per se, but this is an itchy, scratchy itch build. And this will be used in my village. It is a Land Rover, which is really, really important if you are driving in the snow. That's my excuse. Okay, this is set 40650, and it's the Land Rover Classic Defender. $14.99 currently in America, still available. So we're going to see what this is all about. 150 pieces, age 8 plus, and comes with the big, and of course the Land Rover Defender, which is cool. It's got a rack by the looks of things. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, and it's kind of like the baby to this one, which is the full set, which is very expensive. Can't afford to buy it. Don't want to spend that kind of money on a Land Rover, although it would have been nice, but hey, it's too expensive right now. So I'm going to open this up now, build the minifig, show you what's inside. Oop, come on, really? Okay, there we go. Right, so what we got. Shouldn't be too much, I wouldn't have thought. Okay, one rolled up manual and 3 bags. Awesome. Okay, so manual, just how to build it, blah blah blah. Yeah, first bit is the minifig, so we'll build that. And the 3 bags we will just empty onto the table. Oh, we have a curly messed up sticker. Thanks for that, Lego. Awesome. Rolled up, ready to go on the grill. Right, okay, so here we go. 1 bag on the floor, thank you very much. 2 bags. Awesome. Oh, we've got some printed pieces, that's cool. And in the last bag. This is going to be fun sorting through this lot. Cool. 150 parts, but it looks like a lot more. Right, okay, let's get the minifig built, and then I'll get on and do the build and show you what the finish is. Okay, so there she is. Yep, she's got 2 faces, which is cool. There's one very serious looking face, and then there's the other. But there we go, with the glasses. So that's her. Okay, nice hairstyle. GG's. Colour are her legs, because I cannot speak. I always have trouble finding legs, don't know why. There we go. That's cool. So there she is in all her glory and her print. She's got pineapples. Yeah, pineapples on her shirt. Okay. Still Christmassy. Not. Alright, so she can go to one side. I'm going to build this, and I'll see you in a few minutes. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back to show you the finished product. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
A few moments later.
Okay, done, finito. Very, very quick build. Alright, good detail on this. I really like this. I'm a bit of a Land Rover fan anyway, because I used to work on them a long time ago. It was one of my favourites to work on, very easy. Yeah, details on this. Spare wheel on the back, which is really cool. I like that. Which you can actually take off. Shame this doesn't open up, but hey, I have everything. Little mirrors, side mirrors, which are kind of cool. The grille with the Land Rover Classic sticker on the grille. These lights are obviously the lens no, but the lights themselves are printed pieces. These 2 here, and these 2 bits here. This is one square, It's all printed, which is nice. Nice little roof rack on the top. Finishes it off, side windows. Really cool. So there's even space in the back to put a dog or something. Obviously the roof comes off. And our lady driver does come out. But yeah, you've got enough space in the back. You can fit another minifig. Thought on the side, maybe not. Okay, but you can stand or put a dog in there or something. Actually, look at that. Just so happens I have a dog given to me by the Lego store. So the dog can go in the back. And it is a Labrador. Please go in the back. Oh, you can go in the back like that. That's fine. No problem. Right, you stay there. Right, so there's our lady, which I showed you in the beginning. She's got like pineapple shirt on, which is very cool. Summer looking, not quite for winter, but hey, she must have a good heating system in the car. Let's put her back in there, and then put the roof back on. Good itch, that scratch that itchy build. Dog's a bit loose in the back, but hey, I quite like it. It's a sturdy little build as well. Nothing's going to come off of this. So yeah, for the kids, great. For me, great. I love it. Yeah, so awesome little build. Definitely itches, scratches, and itches and scratches. If you want to build something quickly, really good little set. So great addition to a city or to a kid's collection of cars or whatever it might be. And there you go. So now we've got the dog looking out the window. So yeah, awesome. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, like, do all the good old stuff. Appreciate your support. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much. Bye bye. Bye bye.